Starting around 23 October 2023 in every practical sense, Smooth Love Elixir basically is exchanging at $0.001 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in kind of most recent 60 minutes. SLP by and large has a sort of complete market cap of $61,879,725, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,090,211, which sort of is very huge. This really makes commonly Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, for the most part positioning at 319 in the cryptographic money market, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Smooth Love Elixir cost forecast finish of 2023, what will kind of Smooth Love Mixture truly be especially worth in 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner? Is really Smooth Love Elixir an excellent venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Will SLP cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed high? These especially are our exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future in an extremely significant manner. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the very Smooth Love Elixir estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost truly is supposed to commonly cross a truly normal value level of $0.002, the normal truly least value worth of sort of Smooth Love Mixture, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to be $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, SLP can especially arrive at a really greatest value level of $0.002 in a very large manner. SLP value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of extremely Smooth Love Elixir truly is determined to sort of be at around a kind of least worth of $0.002, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The extremely Smooth Love Mixture value worth can fundamentally arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.002, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars in a significant way. SLP value figure September 2023. Concerning September 2023, sort of Smooth Love Mixture generally is supposed to generally arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.002 in a kind of significant manner. The SLP cost could generally arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0.002, with the sort of typical cost around $0.002, especially further appearance how SLP value figure September 2023. Concerning September 2023, truly Smooth Love Mixture certainly is supposed to basically arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.002, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for pretty Smooth Love Mixture in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.002, showing how while the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.002, which is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of genuinely Smooth Love Elixir is truly anticipated to arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.002 and an in every way that really matters, least of $0.002 in a by and large huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for kind of Smooth Love Mixture in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, which in every practical sense shows that sort of Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value forecast 2023, as per the very Smooth Love Elixir gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the SLP cost generally is supposed to explicitly cross an especially normal value level of $0.002, the normal pretty least value worth of kind of Smooth Love Mixture, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to truly be $0.002, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.002, which especially is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir genuinely passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been in a real sense diminished by 1.23% in its by and large current worth, or so they generally thought. Assuming we generally analyze the fundamentally current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap basically is likewise down, or so they for the most part thought. From especially most recent 7 days, the SLP generally was in every way that really matters, great vertical pattern, and expanded by 3.41% in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Elixir generally has shown areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to in every way that really matters, dive right in and contribute, which for the most part is very critical. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP truly diminished by 50.056%, dispensing with an incredible kind of typical amount of $0.001 from its ongoing worth in a kind of large manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very decent for the most part purchase and open door for fundamentally fast interest in an extremely enormous manner. The 90 days cost change basically is near 49.26%, and the cost truly flowed from a kind of least in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.003 to kind of greatest sort of normal cost of $0.003 in the truly beyond 90 days, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Mixture certainly is somewhere near 27.54% with the in every practical sense, greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of the coin generally was around $0.002, and the truly least sort of typical cost of explicitly was around $0.002 and truly beyond 4 months, showing that SLP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of sort of Smooth Love Elixir sort of is estimated to really be at around a base worth of $0.002 incredibly. Smooth Love Mixture Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will really be Smooth Love Elixir in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner? The SLP cost essentially is determined to sort of arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $0.002, with certainly least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Does fundamentally Smooth Love Elixir really have a future in an especially large manner? As far as value, sort of Smooth Love Elixir in every way that really matters has an exceptional extremely potential to arrive at new levels, so especially Smooth Love Mixture has shown exceptionally kind of solid truly potential recently, and this could be decent, an open door to generally dive right in and in a real sense put resources into an unpretentious way. It really is estimate that SLP will increment in esteem in a very significant way. As per explicit specialists and business examiners, kind of Smooth Love